Okay, choose within yourself who wants to go first.
I would go.
Sorry?
I would go first, like if
Okay,
Okay.
you started. Great.
okay, so I guess my voice is clear now.
Uh, if is it possible that you remove the headphone?
So I can. That's
Yeah.
fine.
Hello.
Yes, better.
Yeah. So
Don't get nervous. Come on.
yeah. So I guess I need to give an introduction to.
It's up to you. Like whatever you have prepared, you can just share it with us.
Okay. So my name is Ritika Chavla, and currently it's been 2.5 months approximately. I've been working with Kanaya as an AI developer, and I have built I would say. It's basically an kind of an ERP system, which includes logistics, transportation, many such things. So similarly, today I chose my topic is like what is the role of AI in logistics? Okay, so I have written down some few points so that which I can elaborate further on. So basically, and like earlier in in the legacy system, what happens is that whenever we need to transfer a particular good from one place to another place, there were like few parameters and few methods which people choose earlier. Firstly, so it's like main thing is that of there will be a store or a kind of a thing that there a warehouse which we say that people will put their goods to. From there, a delivery partner will be or a person, not a delivery partner, I would say, will be few persons at that the what we say mm, that the
They
company
were
or
doing all the works manually, basically.
yeah that is what I want to
Yeah.
say. Yeah,
Yeah.
so people were doing manually things and routing was done manually. People used to have like fixed places or fixed paths to which that was done. But the upon like when AI changed many things, but it doesn't remove the humans, but it helped human in many ways. Firstly, to it helped in that in predictions. So prediction may include different kind of things. Firstly, it doesn't is she here?
No, like her battery, maybe she was saying that she had less battery
So what
in the.
I say, yeah.
Okay.
So I was saying that it doesn't remove the human thing, but what it did was that it reduces the human efforts and make the things much more faster. It helped people to like optimize demands like okay so in the legacy system people do create datas but create it manually. So what happened after that was when they created manually do have manual data. When they feed that data into the AI and that AI runs the history, the patterns, the path they choose, the decision they have taken earlier to make it better, to make the decisions better and to make the things work. From that the AI learned the patterns, the ways, the decisions it should take. It also optimizes, like it also like checks that what is the best way we can do these things, or what is the best workflow we should do, and what is what we say mm, what is the what is a better approach for that, and what is that word is not coming.
The algorithm part you're talking about?
No. I want to say, that the AI detects that, okay, fine, this is the
Anomalies.
part where you are, where you are, which can be improved. Yeah, this is a part which can be improved. The anomalies, yes, the
Yes.
anomalies. The AI detects the anomalies that that these are the parts which you can work on. You can improve to grow your business much more better, and that is the first thing which is predictive. It predicts and learns on histories. Second is risk detection. For suppose it's a rainy season and you keep a stock of something which is not much more sold in rainy season. That is what AI detects and helps. That okay, fine. Usually, on a using like seeing the usual trends, the usual history data you have, and the season, this kind of goods and things is not much more sold. You should try like empty the stock of this first, then the other things. Second is that. Third is what I will say is demand forecasting, which means that it also focuses that okay, fine. The according to the human customer behavior and the customer trends, what is going around, it organize resources and things that okay, fine. Mm, these are the things which are coming in demand now. So you should be sending, let's talking up this thing so that when the customer asks for this, you have an complete stock of this to send. So second, this is the next point, and the most important is that route optimization, which it includes that okay, when a delivery partner comes for a delivery, because suppose that there is a fixed path that the delivery person delivers the goods, but what happened after some time that maybe that path is blocked, or is there traffic in that path, or any kind of reason happens in that path, and the delivery partner can't use that. So what he or like what the delivery partner can do is the AI helps them by analyzing the traffic, by analyzing different routes and paths to reach the destination location, and by analyzing the time it takes to reach that location and various aspects, and it shows the deliver the best path to reach the location in very minimum time. That is the main third most case. After that, demand forecasting, it predicts also, it predicts like future outcomes and what the future is best, what stocks you can keep. And of course, of course, if this all will be automated, then operational cost will be reduced and business impact will be much more higher. And of course, using AI doesn't mean that we complete like we do magic or something. There are always challenges and limitations to AI too. There are challenges, suppose for that in a legacy system, when people were doing businesses, they don't keep track of the data they have. They don't have any data, or if they have any data, they have very poor quality data, very manually, like very roughly written. So that is not learned and easily learned and trained by AI. That is the main first thing. Second is you don't have the infrastructure to build something very good. That is the thing. Thirdly, people using AI means that people should have some or like little or less or something, some technical knowledge. That the people who don't know anything about AI or nothing about any technical things, he or like the person or the company can't use AI till the time. So the training cost will also be there. And of course, if we integrate as the technology gets updated, we have to integrate AI with much more things. So yeah, the future will be that we don't have to take the AI will thus take autonomous decisions, but smart supply chains is already there. SCM is already there. ERP is already there. So yeah, that will also be integrated to AI, and automation will increase. Human oversight will be reduced, but again, human intervention will still be there. So yeah, that is what I will
That
conclude my.
clearly we going against the Elon Musk now. As he said, in future we are not supposed to work, but we have to work because even the AI is a tool.
Yeah, that is
AI
true.
is not gonna do everything.
It's not
So
magic.
yeah, that is the thing that people are supposed to understand. Like I have seen lots of non-tech people, like those who have heard the interview of Elon Musk, that they are like, okay, we don't have to work now because Elon Musk have said that. I was like, how you gonna eat? Because if I'm a farmer, I'll not give my things to you. And if I'm a businessman, why will I give robots for free to you? So anyway, you
Very
have to
correct.
make the money. But they are like, no, no, Elon Musk have said it, so it's done. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ritika, for this insight. And anything from your side, Sanjana, about the UI
Prep
UX?
the hello.
Hello.
Uh, I haven't prepared yet for that, so I don't know what to talk about that topic or
Anything like
something.
how the AI
Sorry,
is
guys.
maybe helping you in the UI UX?
Mm, let's say,
Like you were working with the AI, right, on the Figma.
yeah, in case of using AI in UI UX designers, let's say, uh, uh, like once if I get any ideas or anything from that, it's
At least
like a second of a minute, like uh, ha
if you
sorry,
you know that
am I
no you,
network is
yes, your no network is disturbing. If you will like stop your video, that your voice will be much clear. That's what I think. Because,
sorry. Hello,
yeah, you
Hello?
can speak. It's clear. Your voice is clear. You can
that my
speak.
network is sorry. Uh, so like when I give any ideas on for that AI or Lovable or in ChatGPT, it's like a minute of a second. It gives everything all about in a summarize or in a future things. But when I go into think about deep things about that, is it gonna work or something, or is it gonna use it for a has a think of in a user thing, but somehow it predicts 20%, but somehow in the way of thinking of the human, it predicts like a 70%. So somehow AI gives more 100, but when you think in the form of an human source, it gives like a 20-50 chance of that. Like is it working, or does it works, or does it use for in the sense of an user, but normal even the inside is going to say like AI is going to take a note of the UI UX designer. But no, like if you think about that in a color theory, and you can think about in a typography thing, so it gives in only in the like particular you can give a prompt of a given a website of this particular thing and get gives a typography a single typography thing. But when it you think in the human source, I can imagine like okay, this typography can change in the header thing in bigger font, but and change in the styles or things like something. I don't know how to the topic thing then.
Like in any way, we have to have the human intuitions to understand the things where the text should be changed or where the color should be what. So anyway, we have to have the human intuitions, right?
Yeah.
So basically, we all are agreeing to one thing only, that we will not lose our job due to
That
AI.
is true. Just like
AI.
before this meet, I read a post on LinkedIn that if AI should have been like replaced our jobs, then why is different companies hiring AI engineers still?
Yeah.
They would have easily replaced engineers with this kind of AI tools, but they are not, which
Yeah.
means that engineers are doing something.
I was like, it's just that you can think of AI as a tool which will help you do the works faster. Like we got the calculators, it helps in the calculations. But what calculations are supposed to be done are done by the
Yeah.
humans only. So as a software developer or as a designer or as an maybe because even now it can write the lyrics, it can create the music for you. But what is gonna work is known by the users only. Even though I know AI, how to use the AI, but I
Yeah.
can't create a good design as Sanjana can do it. I can't write a good lyrics as maybe Honey Singh can do it or maybe some other singer can do it. So it's basically we know the tools, but to use the tools we have to have some
Yeah.
human intuitions into it. So that is the main thing which we think we are talking about. Maybe in future we will have the job or
Yes.
not. That's the whole crux which we came over here.
I don't think so. We are losing it anytime
No.
soon.
See, as a
Yeah.
software developer, see, the first thing when they created the AI, it was like the software developers' jobs are gonna go in maybe 1 year or 2 years.
Then they come into front end. That
Yeah.
no, back end will be there, front end
Uh,
will be gone. Then they come into UI UX.
yeah.
That no, front end will be there, UI UX will be gone.
But in any way, like it can never
Anyway, no
go
one is.
because now the AI can write the code. We can give the prompt, but what prompts are to be given? What algorithms is to be used? Where it should be attached to each other? That needs to be done by the
And
human
what
only.
type?
So in future, maybe it can maybe go to that place as well. But again, there should be something which will be required, like more. uh, After a time, it's like if everything is so good, right? People gets bored to that goodness. If everything starts to come, everything is perfect, 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 perfect. People will be like, no, I don't want this much of perfection. We need something which is like human touch in that. So then again, the AI will fail over there.
Like
So
if I will draw five websites, like a bit the five front end to a same things, like for suppose black box, I will
yeah,
give a prompt, design five different websites. It will more or less create like the same look of all the five websites.
yeah,
But if the human will do
Yeah.
it, then they will be very different for all the five one.
yeah.
That is the thing.
That is the thing. Like the one who is not using the AI, they are like, oh my God, AI is there and it's gonna do something extra. Some crazy things is gonna happen in the world. But the one who is using it, they are like, come on, where, how? For one bug, we have to spend whole day.
We know that how AI is actually. AI hallucinations.
Yeah. The hallucinations, yeah, that is also a thing with the AI now. And I don't think that's gonna be solved anytime sooner. But let's see, hope for the best. Maybe we will be in a good place by the time AI is good.
Maybe we will have learned more tech or anything so that we will still be an updated version of it. As AI will learn, we will learn too.
The only thing good about the AI right now is, which I believe is, previously, even the dumb person who is having the knowledge of HTML and CSS could get a job. Maybe someone who knows the bit of color
Yeah.
changing can get into the UI UX. Now it's not that you can have the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and you can get into an IT company. You have to
So
have lots of knowledge of the AI, like tools, what tools to be used, where it should be used. Of course, AI will do it, but you have to know the knowledge of the tools and why it's optimizing and internal structure of the tools so that we can use that. So this thing has changed due to AI, and this is for good. Now any dumb person can't come and tell that I'm a good engineer because I know HTML. Yeah. So think yes, I don't know why Vikas is not here. And anything from your side? Anything like you guys want to add it to it?
I guess we did concluded our topic.
The one who started, her laptop is dead, so she's not here. Okay then.
Okay, fine. I
Okay.
have a feedback to like I need a feedback from you guys. Do I speak very fast in general?
No, it's good.
Because I sometimes feel that when I
No, it
like
was good and
deliver a
clear though.
speech, sorry.